Hey guys, welcome. My name is Joe Murphy, and this is Relentless Ambition, the place where people go to become more driven in pursuit of their goals. Now, today I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing, what it is. I'm going to break it down in simple terms. I'm going to explain to you what it is and how people are making money off of it. But before we get into it, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification button so you can be updated on all the upcoming content. I'm making videos daily. And if you like this video, please be sure to like and share with a friend, as it really helps out the channel. All right, now let's get into it. What is affiliate marketing? Basically a fancy way of saying referral program. Essentially, it is the monetization of word-of-mouth marketing. It is the process of earning a commission by promoting or referring a product or service to another customer. You make commission by promoting a certain product or service by using what is called an affiliate link. An affiliate link is a hyperlink that you receive from a company. This link is unique to you. When customers click the link and go ahead and buy the product, then you earn a commission from that purchase. So how does it work exactly? Well, most companies have what is called an affiliate program. And the affiliate program is an opportunity for people to join for free or at a low cost and promote their products or services so that you can earn a commission. When you join an affiliate program, you will get your affiliate link. Like I said before, it is unique to you, and the company can track which products were purchased and by whom and who referred them so that you can get paid your commission. So what are the benefits of affiliate marketing? Well, from a company's perspective, affiliate marketing is a very efficient form of advertising because a company is only paying out and giving that affiliate marketer a commission when a sale has already been made. From an affiliate marketer's perspective, it's a good opportunity because they may not have the skills or resources or even the desire to build a product or service. But what they're good at is building an audience and a following and selling other people's products. As an affiliate marketer, you are leveraging other people's products in order to make money. Why is affiliate marketing valuable to an online business? Well, that's because you're sharing someone else's product or service with people who you know or people who follow you. Whether that's on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, a personal blog, etc. The nice thing about it is that it's a win-win for everyone. It's a cool process because as an affiliate marketer, you are not responsible for the creation, the upkeep, the overhead, the customer support, the marketing, or even the selling of the actual product. You are simply directing people to the product and letting the company do the selling for you. This is valuable to companies because affiliate marketers promote their products, and through this process, the company acquires more customers. It is also valuable to the customer because they are purchasing a product in which they're interested in, and hopefully the product solves their problem or meets their need or helps them out in some way. A win-win for everyone involved. In a nutshell, you're getting paid for sharing and sending people to a specific company, product, or service. You are partnering with companies, and your whole focus as an affiliate marketer is getting traffic, getting visitors, and getting subscribers. To give you an example of an affiliate marketing program, Amazon has their own affiliate program, and it's called Amazon Associates. Anyone can join Amazon Associates and begin promoting products for free. Here's an example. Say I bought this Instant Pot for $100 on Amazon. I could join the Amazon Associates affiliate program, get my unique affiliate link, and begin promoting any product that Amazon sells. I could write a review on a blog about this Instant Pot. I could create a video on YouTube reviewing this product, and I could direct people to my affiliate link. When someone buys that Instant Pot using my affiliate link, I can make a 5 to 10% commission on that purchase. Does that make sense? So how do people make more money from affiliate marketing? Well, a common route that people use is social media. They promote products on their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, personal blog, YouTube, and other social media platforms, building up their following and directing more traffic to more products using affiliate links. eBay also has an affiliate program. Literally, there's thousands of affiliate programs out there that you can choose from. It's a cool opportunity because you can choose to only promote products that you like if you wanted to. To give you an example, I do a lot of shopping online on Amazon. I could easily do a review video on YouTube for all the products that I've enjoyed over the past years. post the affiliate link in the description box, and then make money when people use that affiliate link to buy that product. I don't really have to do any of the selling. I'm not a salesman saying you must buy this product. The sales pitch and the marketing is all being done by the respective company of that product. All right, guys, so hopefully that helped clarify what exactly affiliate marketing is and how it works. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Click the links below to learn more about affiliate marketing or building an online business. Thanks again for watching the video, and remember, never surrender and always be relentless in your ambitions. Peace.